Step-by-step guide to creating a USA PayPal account. 1. Visit the official PayPal website. Go to www.paypal.com. 2. Initiate the sign-up process. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. 3. Select account type. Choose between personal account, ideal for shopping online, sending or receiving money from friends and family. Business account, suitable for merchants who want to accept payments online under a business name. After selecting, click Next. 4. Enter your personal information. Provide your first and last name, email address, and create a secure password. Click Next to proceed. 5. Provide your address and phone number. Enter your U.S. address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid issues with account verification. 6. Agree to terms and create account. Review PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box and click Agree and create account. 7. Link a payment method. You can link a U.S. bank account, credit card, or debit card to your PayPal account. This step is essential for sending payments and withdrawing funds. 8. Confirm your email address. PayPal will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. 9. Verify your phone number. PayPal may send a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in your PayPal account to confirm your phone number.